So yeah, the company Guyker, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, they reached out to me. They sent me this product for free to review here on my YouTube channel. And what I thought might be cool, a fun little thing to do, is do a bit of an unboxing. Well, as I said in the intro, more of a unsatcheling. So let's get into it. Let's just, here we go. So, here we go. Again, what do you think it is? It's quite heavy. It's going to be good for the jazz bass. I don't know if that sort of says anything too, but yeah. Very well wrapped, Guyker, thank you very much. It arrived in no time too. They sent an email out saying it was sent, and like 2-3 days later it was here, and I'm all the way down in Australia. I don't know where these guys are. But anyway, let's keep looking. We've got some screws and an Allen key. 3 screws. It's interesting. Let's keep looking. It is a bridge for a jazz bass. Now, first impressions of it, with this little unsatcheling, it feels very well built. I'm concerned that it won't fit on the jazz bass. Obviously, I'm gonna make a separate video to this. It looks like the holes line up. Hey, give me a second. Okay, so I've got my jazz bass here. This is an old Guyker bridge. Fantastic bridge, never had any issues with it. But this is the bass that I'll be putting this bridge on. And look, it does look like the holes line up. Hang on a second, let me grab my other jazz bass. Okay, back here with the fretless jazz bass now, and a more sort of standard bridge. The Guyker one was hard to sort of see here, but as we can sort of look at here, yeah, it looks like it's gonna, it looks like it's gonna line up okay. But normal jazz bass bridges have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. I only got sent 3 screws here. So I'm actually not too sure what that is all about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 holes. Maybe I need to dive deeper into that, but only 3 screws. We'll see how we go. As I said, first impressions, it is very well built, like just from the first impression. Nice and solid. It's got a lot of, well, it seems to have a lot of adjusting capabilities with different sort of Allen key positions and stuff like that. Yeah, it looks cool. It is concave or whatever the word is towards a fretboard radius. I do like that. Yeah, what I will probably do is I will probably fix it to my fretless jazz bass, because that's a more standard style of bridge. My other jazz bass has been modded that many times. The bridge position has actually been carved out. Don't ask, don't ask. Anyway, big thank you to, how do you pronounce their name again?
So, I just got a goodie box from Guyker. Let's go ahead and...
Guyker. Thanks, Guyker, really appreciate it. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see what's up next. Big thumbs up for the video, and I'll see you all next time.